Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Reno7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me, it's right over here. So once you locate the toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default settings of it are, or you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize all the parts of it. So go to the list right here, change whatever you want, and then whenever you want to enable it, all you would do is simply tap on the toggle, select turn on, and you're done. Once you're done with your Do Not Disturb mode, you can find the toggle once again in your notification panel, tap on it once more, and this will disable it. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.